After I downloaded SEO Autopilot, it is a software I need to install. It gives 7 days free trial, and after I installed it, it mentions particular sites as you can see here, and I have started the process. And if I'm making it active, you can see here it shows no log data. I think it gives just a complete dashboard of how it will look. And even if I go to edit, here we have to set some captcha and browser threads, instant post, how much we have to run. We need to save it, and I had created a folder for EMP monitor. It says that it will be building links on these websites, but nothing is working here. Even if you view submitted URLs, it shows nothing. Since 30 minutes I have been trying this, but it's not working.
Like this video and subscribe to our channel